Introducing the Azio Retro Classic, the next generation in luxury keyboards. This is the Retro Classic Onyx, black with black chrome accent. Black is sophisticated, confident, powerful. Black absorbs all other colors in the spectrum inherently, and yet it's able to maintain its simplicity, hence elegancy. It evokes strong emotions, represents strength, and illustrates formality and exclusiveness. It's the epitome of fierce. Black is the end, but also a new beginning. Black is infinite. The Retro Classic Onyx achieves multi-layered depth through a combination of curated materials and finish based on this elegantly fierce hue. The Retro Classic Posh, white with copper accent. It is elegant because of its purity and simplicity. We partnered white with the ardent warmth of copper to promote an aura of luxurious opulence. The purity of white and the radiant hue of copper collaboratively creates a fine collectible artifact worthy of the discernible taste. The rich accent of copper adds a comforting warmth next to the lavish white, and the polished effect adds an edgy contemporary feel, while the vibrant backlight creates a glamorous and affluent ambiance. The Retro Classic Artisan, black with copper accent, representing the rise of a new generation through diligence, hard work, and craftsmanship. Long in history, black with copper is intricate, attractive, and nostalgic. The copper hue conveys a soul of steampunk and classy deco elements to complement the black. It is a curated color with a purpose. The Retro Classic Artisan is created to fully celebrate the cool lux of mid-century vintage with contemporary Scandinavian luxury. Fusing genuine leather with alloy to deliver an artisanal and timeless piece. Romantic, extravagant, sophisticated. A new level of luxury achieved. Amazing results come from dramatic contrast between materials. The Retro Classic is as striking as it is retro. The Azio Retro Classic. The past is the future.